I don't know my way around a computer. I'm a truck driver. Do you think cybersecurity is a good fit for me? Yes, I would say cybersecurity is a great industry to get into. On a personal level, I would say it's not for everyone. That's something that you have to decide for yourself. It takes a lot of patience. I wouldn't say that the cybersecurity group, my peers, I would not say that they're always smarter than anyone else. I would say that they're more determined. It takes a lot to actually learn it. It takes a lot of patience to actually get the knowledge. Is it for you? If you're just looking for the money and you're willing to do whatever it takes, yes. Cybersecurity is a great job. It's one of the fastest growing industries. I remember in 2008 when there was an economic collapse. A lot of my friends were hit by it. I was not touched. So this is from Investopedia. So it's addressed in the top 10 fastest growing industries in the United States. And this was published on July 27th, 2017. Computer system design related services. And I would say that that's true. Like I said, we're always looking for people. You're not going to be hurting for a job if you do this. Another one is Forbes. This article was put out April 9th, 2017, and it's the fastest growing industries in the US. Computer system design and related services. I can always get one. Within about 4 weeks, I can get a job, and they pay pretty good. If your industry is truck driving, it's going to be a huge leap unless you're just obsessed with computers like me. I actually came from physical security, which is like being a cop. I was a cop for 5 years. I was a military policeman, which means I had to learn law, I had to learn criminal justice, physical security, shooting weapons. So how do you go from that guy, security, to computer security? I was obsessed with computers. It took me a few years, but I already had like my hands in computers even when I was a cop. So when I transitioned, I had the patience to learn it because there's lots of other levels to it. I had to learn networking, computer networking, which is switches and routers. I had to learn what a firewall was. I actually had to administer firewalls, set them up from scratch. I had to do computer policies and regulations and all that kind of stuff. Is it a good fit for you? That's something that you, Mustafa, that's something that you have to answer for yourself.